So I just put him down, and yeah, I'm going to try to finish cooking, and let's see how long he sleeps for. This is one of those bassinets that you have to zip the thing for the mosquito net, and it is so loud. So imagine you just put the child down. It's so annoying. What is up, Harry's, and welcome back to my channel. So I know I'm looking kind of rough. I am looking very rough right now, and today I just wanted to give you guys kind of like a day in my life kind of situation, but not too detailed. I'm just going to be taking you guys along with me throughout the day. Today is a day I finally decided, you know, let me try to wash my hair. Like, True does not sleep long enough for me to get anything done. If I start to cook, he wakes up, I have to stop and deal with him. If I decide to go and use the toilet, he wakes up in between. If I decide to do anything, he wakes up. So it's like I haven't been able to just do anything for myself. And today he is going to have to exercise his lungs because I need to wash my hair, and I haven't been able to wash my hair. Like, oh my gosh, my hair is like so dirty. It's been over a month and I haven't washed my hair. I haven't had time to wash my hair. So today I'm definitely going to wash my hair. He could cry all he want, I see business. I can deal with myself today. Today is my day, so I'm going to be putting on some makeup later on and get my life together. I think I want to do like a braid out in my hair. This is my hair situation, okay? My hair is a mess. It's a tangled mess. And I need to get my life together, okay? Today is the day. I need to get my life together. I need to be looking cute. I need to put on a cute outfit. I don't know, I need to record some videos. I need to do something today. I have to do some stuff for myself today. So, True, today you are not going to win, okay? Every day you win. Every day you win. Today has to be my day, okay? Run my hair like this. I just have to go in the shower and wash it and detangle it while it's wet. Because right now, trying to even attempt to detangle it, it's just going to be oh, this reminds me of when I was younger and my mom would comb my hair and she ain't know I take more naturally. And she would just be pulling on my hair. This is what this reminds me of. Okay, so I got some rice here already cooked. These are going in my mutton that I'm making. I put them in the instant pot to try to cook them a little faster. Just gonna cook this stuff. And this my husband's arrow garden. He has some basil and some thyme and some parsley in there. Okay, so I put everything in there. And I'm just going to slow cook it for a little bit. Okay, so the boys are home, so I'm just going ahead and giving them some food. I went ahead and washed the dishes, so all the dishes are clean. And now I'm just going to go and help the boys with homework. I actually got to take a shower and wash my hair. Thank God he did not wake up. I hearing him squirming around in the bassinet, but he'll be all right. So I'm just going to go ahead and do my eyebrows. This is how my eyebrows look before I actually get it looking right. This is my favorite pencil to use. It's the AOA. You can get it from Shop Miss A for like $1, for $1, and it works great, like so. And then I go ahead and I brush it, you know, that way it doesn't look too perfect. Take my LA Girl Pro Concealer. I need to buy another one. This one is so done. If you want a real natural look, then don't bother to clean up the top. But, you know, if you just want them to look perfect, well, not too perfect, but perfect enough, then you could clean up the top. I like to clean up the top just to make it look extremely nice. Wipe that off, and then for the bottom, I just blend it into my skin, like so. I wipe it off because I don't really want no makeup on my forehead. I love my gold shimmer on my eyelids. I might put these on. Okay, so I already polished my toenails with this cute purple, it's Lacy Lilac from Sally Hansen. It's so pretty. So I already polished my toenails with that one, so I'm feeling cute. And now I just need to do my hair because of my Blue Magic on my scalp. And then today I decided, let me finish off some of my products that I have. So I have this curl enhancing smoothie, so I'm just going to finish this off. I'm going to be doing a braid out. I want this braid out to come out really cute, so I'm going to do the braids smaller than I normally do the braids. And that's it. I'm going to continue. We got to the one side, and he's up. Hi, baby. Hi, baby. Hi, baby. Mommy here. Okay. Woke up hungry. Just nursing him. Look at his cute little hands. Okay, mommy, no. Mommy, no.